Hello, my name is Matthew. I am a member of support here at MemberLeap Faith Consulting. Today I'm going to show you more about our custom fields and dynamic labels. What these are is they are customizations to the member profiles besides the standard what the member's name, email, and address is. You can see examples of these down here. These are our dynamic fields that we have set up, just showing the options on our Pastry Chef website. So let's go into configuration options and show you how to create these. You can get the configuration options with our new member menu by going to configuration. And you'll see here in the member database billing options, there is the custom fields and labels and dynamic custom fields. Let's go to the custom fields and labels first. Here you will see the option to generate text fields. What these are they give you options for the members to add custom text to their field label. So you can have fields such as the preferred name, and you can choose to have this be mandatory on either new member registration, the member profile change, or on both. In here, we give you a large amount of options. A custom indicator field is a checkbox that they will check on their field. Selection field is a drop-down menu where you can add in the field values here. Or you can just choose the name of it here. You would require at least one field value in order for this to show up. And again, you can require this on new member registration, member profile change, or both. This is what a selection field would look like. A custom multi-selection field is basically a group of checkboxes that you'd be able to select. Again, you have the field values here. A multi-line text field. This allows you to enter a near unlimited amount of data. During my testing, I found that I was able to enter in at least 10 paragraphs worth of text into this, and it was not close to empty yet. So this is if you want a large amount of information, such as biography. Custom admin text fields. This is when you're starting to get into the admin only fields. What these are is when an admin views a member profile, they'll be able to see these fields. However, when a member views the profile, this field will not be visible to them. So this is something so admins can track specific parts of a member profile. Again, you have the text fields, your selection fields, your indicators, multi-line text fields, date fields, additional phone fields, and down here at the bottom we have our alternate field labels, which allows you to change the name of the fields that are set up in the system. So you can see here we have our home/primary phone is just labeled as home phone. We have our website URL as just website. Our member number has been shortened to having the £. Again, you can change any of these. So you can change alternate address to second address or things such as that. These are basically entirely up to you for how you would like to label these. Alright, and now let's get into the dynamic custom fields. What these are they allow you to enter in the same fields, but you can choose what type of member profiles they appear on, and whether they are admin only or not. They just basically give you a little bit more customization options than our standard custom fields. So you can see here, we have all of our options set up already. The short text field, the long text field, which is, again, that type of text field that you can enter in a large amount of text. The indicator field, which is a checkbox. The select field, which is a drop-down list, much like this. A number field, which allows you to type in a specific set of numbers. So you could say how many tournaments someone participated in, as well as our date field. Let's just create a short text field right now just so we can look at these options. Short text example. And you can see here that it shows the field name, what type of field it is, just so when you click on it you can be sure that you did select the right one. You can choose to make this an admin-only field that either members can edit them, that members can view them, but they're only admin availability to change them, or if they're just admin only and members cannot view them at all. You can restrict this down to member type. As you can see here, you can click on it and it will show all the member types that you have set up. Or you can choose to make this mandatory on either new member registration or when a member goes to change their profile. So let's just make this mandatory on member profile change, and it is only for prospects. Let's make this members only as well, or admin only as well. You can see here that it is now set up. It shows on this screen the name of the field, what type of field it is, as well as its ID number. This is more for our purposes, as well as permissions that show that this is an admin-only field and it's only for prospects. You can see here, you can go back into it and edit the field, or you can delete the field. Now let's show what these look like on the member profile now that we have added one. Let's go to prospects just so you can see the type that I added. You'll see down here at the bottom all of our custom fields. You have the short text field that is admin only. Only members can view this as well. The long text field, which allows you to enter in a large metadata. The indicator field, which is your checkbox. Your select field, which allows you to choose options on a drop-down box. Multi-select field, which is all your checkboxes. Number field, which will only allow you to enter text or numbers as I'm trying to enter text right now. If I enter in numbers, it enters in just fine. As a note, you can manually up and down this as well. The date field, which if you click on will bring up a calendar, or short text example, which is only appearing since we are on a prospect profile. Alright, that has been our custom fields and dynamic labels. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at service@vconsulting.com. Thank you very much.